Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just giving you guys a nice little Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade white, and I'm just blending it out. So I'm going in with this nice red, and I'm just putting this in my crease, building it up until I'm pleased with the shade. Just blending. So I'm just going on my lid with this nice white shimmer shade, and I'm just placing that about 3/4 way on my lid. So I'm just going back in with the red and just blending the two colors together to get that nice. So I'm taking some black on the outer portion of my eyelid, and I'm just blending it out, ensuring that all the colors are blended well together. Going in with the eyeliner. Not too dramatic, just a simple one. You can skip this option if you please, but I wanted to do so. And now I'm just priming and moisturizing my face. So now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm just blending everything out nice and smooth. So I'm just highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Blend that out nice and smooth. Ensure you get everything, every bit, every piece. You don't want to leave any lump of concealer beneath your eyes, so you want to blend that out nice and smooth. So I'm going in with my setting powder, set all the places that I just highlighted. So once you highlight, you have to contour. So now I'm contouring my face. my finishing powder to set all the areas that didn't get any powder. So I'm just going in with the black eyeshadow to give it that nice little smoke, and then I'm going to use the red and just smoke out the black and blend it together. So I'm just going back in with the white and just blending that in my waterline a little bit more. So I'm using the spirit gum and I'm using some rhinestone. I'm just taking one and just place it underneath my lower lash. Yeah, just going in with some mascara. So I'm just going in with a bit of highlight. Nothing too extra, just a soft little highlight. Using my brown pencil and just lining my lips. Then I will just add the red lipstick to that. So I'm just using my setting spray and just setting my face, and you guys just putting that in with the brush, and just that's the finished look. Hope you guys like this look. Bye guys.